Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. We are back live at it again. Hooey! Are we back live at it again, or what, pandas? Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Are we close? Are we close? Okay. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. I hate adding all the numbers. They're all over the place. You know what? I just need something to add it for me. I don't know what's happening. I'll figure it out. We're approaching the previous week's high. What does that mean? Does that mean anything? OI pattern? IOI pattern? Ooh. Alright. It's an ABC pattern, but if we pop up, how high are we really going? Interesting. Man, just make sure you scout that like button. I mean, yes, last week we were in a trading range the entire week, more or less. More or less, entire week. I mean, I think we still need to fill the gap on the Globex session. And also a 5-minute session, obviously. Two, 4, 188. Let's do it like this. I'll do it like this. Extend. No, that's too much like what we have. Hmm? Hmm? Shoot. Do that again. Set to the right. Let's just do it like this. Keep it like this. Okay, I got it. I just need these lines here because it's the gap, the Globex gap from last week. And most of the time, these gaps fill within it's pretty rare that they last more than 2 weeks. I've seen them last longer, but usually they fill pretty quick. So we'll keep it on our charts. I mean, we can continue this trading range. There's nothing really stopping us from continuing. There's really nothing stopping us. We can continue trading ranges, and if it breaks out, most likely the breakouts fail. It breaks out in a way where you can still trade like a trading range. Good morning, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat if you haven't already. Boosty, good morning. Stephen Black, good morning. Tate, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. We're back live at it again. back doing what we love most with the community we love most. Pandas, are you ready? Are you ready? Pandas, remember, the only thing that matters is your next trade. Forget last week. Even if you killed it last week, forget it. It doesn't matter. Even if you did terrible last week, forget it. It doesn't matter. All that matters is your next trade, your next setup, your analysis right now. That's all that matters, Pandas. Don't forget it. Next trade mentality. That's what you need to have. You really need to have next trade mentality. It's like an athlete. You gotta imagine this is a performance. This is a performance sport, if anything. This is a very performance based, I don't know, job or career. We're just getting started here. The accounts are looking juicy. Pandas, I'm not gonna lie. The accounts are looking juicy. The thing is that I need to get my counts above 10,300. Well, I would like them to get above 1,300. Sorry, 13,000. But I think I'd rather get my payout as soon as possible. So I'm gonna look for a payout as soon as I can get it. But I need to get them at a minimum at around, let me see. Like the most I made one day was like 3,100 divided by 0.3. I need to make like $10,300. Then I can do like a max payout. So that's what I'm aiming for, and all my accounts need to get there. So I'm about 3,000 away from that, and yeah, 3,000 away. Hopefully this week I'll get there. We shall see. We shall see. Can you imagine you just being able to say that? I think I'm gonna make about $3,000 this week on one account. Multiply that by 20, $60,000 this week. I think I could make $60,000 this week. Can you imagine saying it? Tell me anything else. This is why Apex is still the best to me. If you can abide by Apex rules while you trade, Apex is by far the best still. It's by far the best. But the rules make it so difficult. But if you can abide by the rules while you trade, boy, oh boy, Apex is where it's at. If you can do it, though, that's the hard part. Sorry, pandas, I'm eating. This is rocketing up. I don't know. Don't want to go long here. It looks trading rangey, right? Basically, had an expanding pattern here. It's looking strong though, at least right off the bat. Let me say good morning, a couple of you guys. Boost Steel, good morning. Steven Back, good morning. Tate, good morning. Bear Bull Trader, good morning. The Knowledge Hub, the richest panda in the world, live. Pandas, we're looking for 1 million. That's our goal. We got $1 million challenge ahead of us, and we are shooting for it. We're absolutely going to get it. Every challenge I've set for myself on this channel, it was always a matter of when, not if. And when I say I'm going to make 1 million, pandas, trust me, we will get there. We will hit 1 million. We will hit 1 million. Yeah, this big mama, it's not a good big mama. I mean, we are still. I gotta let some of this play out. I needed some of this chop to play out. Just breakout modes currently. It looks strong going up though, but we'll sit on our pause for now. Knowledge Hub got it right. He said, and I'm doing it live. Forget all those pre-recorded things. This is live. This is everyone can see it. You guys are gonna watch me make 1 million. You guys are literally gonna watch me make $1 million before your eyes. It's gonna be incredible. Maybe worth going long here. Maybe worth it. Maybe worth going long. Bear Bull Trader asks, what's the promo right now? Right now, I don't know if there's a promo. Might be 50% off. Which means I gotta change my HUD. Let me see. I'm pretty sure it's 50% off. If it's nothing, it's usually 50% off.
2,500 tick trap.
I'm guessing it's 50% off. Here we go, 50% off. I mean, this is flying. Eventually, you're just going to have to go long. Okay. I just don't feel comfortable going long right now because we got a huge gap on the 5-minute chart. And top of a trading range. Again, it's not like I feel very comfortable. Ooh, you know what? We might reach the weekly high. It's a good target to hit. Last week's high. I'm just sitting my phone and let a couple 5-minute candles form. Okay. Second true long. Do I like going long here? I don't know. I don't know. I want to say no, but we're clearly above the 20 MA. Signal bar's a little stinky here. Doji bar is okay. I mean, the signal bar is doji bar. I don't know. It's a bit confusing to me. Okay. You go long here, you might... you're okay still. Micro double bottom. Getting quite sideways and choppy. Big bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Closing above the previous day's high. Okay, you lose that trade. Let's try here. Let's try. Let's see. See what the market got. Let's see its conviction here.
2,500 tick trap.
Let's see if there's some follow through on the first bull bar. Okay, popping up a little bit. Popping up a lot of bit.
2,500 tick trap.
We'll hold a little bit here. We'll hold. Hold. Okay. Whoa!
Target
I'll take
filled.
that any day. Easy peasy. The only reason why I consider going long there is because on the 5-minute chart, we closed above the previous day's high. We just closed above it. And so I felt there might be another leg up here. Just because we closed above it. Pretty strong bull bar. And there was enough momentum to give us a nice 25-point scalp. We're up 464. I mean, if I can get up there today, if I can make 3K today, pandas. I mean, if I make 3K, yeah, if I can make 3K today, then, man, I don't know. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. Unless it's going to be one of those, like, miracle days. $3,000 profit. It's pretty difficult to do, not going to lie. We're up 464, which just means we got some room now to start swing trading a little bit, I think. Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. We're looking to do $1 million challenge, and that means that we need to get all our accounts up to 50K. If we can get our accounts up to $50,000, pandas, we have made $1 million before everyone's eyes. Right now, we're about 20% of the way there, ish. I mean, 20% is not too bad. Knowing that these accounts are only like, I think they're only like 8 days young. We've been trading these accounts for maybe 1.5 weeks, and we're already about 20% there. So that means, I mean, we had an incredible week last week because of the volatility. Volatility was insane. I don't know if you, the price action was crazy, but the volatility was so insane. Look at how big these candles are compared to the previous, like, okay, let me just get the range of this candle here. Let's just say this candle. Friday's candle. Before this big spike brought a lot of volatility into the market. But it's been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 50. Like, I just got the size of this candle. In the last 50 trading days, which is like months, right? A couple months. It's at least 2 months. It's 20 trading days in a month. We really haven't seen a day that volatile with that much range since. Look how far back. I have to go back to. It's even bigger than this candle here. Basically, I have to come back right here. Since April 29th, it's been 6 months since we've seen a range that large, that much volatility. 6 months. On Friday. And almost every candle was like that. That Friday's candle was like. So, of course, we had an amazing week of trading. Ooh, second entry long here. I'll continue this uptrend. I don't love it, but sure. Let's try. I like how the risk is so big on these candles. Ooh, okay. Snaps back down.
2,500 tick trap.
We could lose this easily here. I don't mind. We tried. Second entry long. Right, 2 strong bull bars now on the 5-minute chart. Okay, we lose that trade. It's all good. Risk was how much? 10-point risk. Okay. I think the risk was fair. We had potential, something like this. I already lost it. I don't know if I want to try again. So we're like 1-1 now. One and one, getting a little, got very choppy there. Good signal bar, which is why I tried. And 2 strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. So I was thinking maybe some follow through, but now it's getting a little bit sus. With no follow through on the 2 strong bull bars, that's sus to me. Especially at the open. The open, you can have a reversal. This can smash back down, like starting now. This could just a reverse right now. Like kind of what it's doing. Jeez Louise. Strong bear bar here. Still very choppy in my opinion. I got 2 bear bars in a row now. Nope, spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. It's H4, but beneath the 20 MA. Okay. Like I said, it could just reverse hard. But is it reversing? Jeez, lots of back and forth, lots of chop. Trading range starting to develop here. Okay. If we were in a trading range, where would our trading range be? Wow. Pop up. If we were to range, where would we range? If we had to range, where would we range? I don't know. This is like very slanted. Very slanted chart. Guessing something like this, but we shall see. We lost 10 points here. That's $200. Fair enough. Lots of like no follow through on the breakout bars. Starting to show signs of trading range. Let's see here. High or low? Okay. Okay, second inch is short right here. I mean, I don't know if I like the second inch short here. It's just so choppy right now. So incredibly choppy. Fail second inch short. I don't know. I don't know where my range is. I could potentially try to go short up here, but notice that we really haven't tested the bottom yet, so it doesn't necessarily. It's not really a range yet. It's just I'm predicting where the range may be according to the spike in channel, right? Spike and channel. And it might come back to the bottom of the channel, the spike in channel. Strong bear bar, anyone's low, no follow through. Scary stuff today. I would say sit on your pause. I mean, if I'm up $200 today, I'm happy. I'm really happy. I don't mind. I don't mind, pandas. Being up $200 is great. All you need is an average of $200 a day to make $1 million a year. Let me do the math for you, pandas. How's that possible, right? How you figure? Well, if you make, if you have 20 accounts, there's 250 trading days in a year. So 250 times 20 is 250 times 20 is what? 5,000. 5,000 times 200 is a million, or 50,000 or whatever. Yeah, 50,000. Yep, and then you multiply that by 200, it's a million. Am I doing my math right? 250 times 20, which is 20 accounts, times 200. Yeah, it's a million. All you need is to make 200 a day on average. Which is, actually, if you think about it, it's 1 scalp per day, which is crazy. But we're talking about averages here, so you got to consider your losses. You will have losing days. You cannot have a green day every day. Like, if you can, then you would be, if you can have a green day every day, then that's incredible. Okay. It looks like we're pushing down pretty hard. Looks like we may test the bottom of this trading range that I drew. We might get there. I don't know. don't know if I like this. We already made a new low. Some trading range developing somewhere.
2500 tick trap.
2500 tick trap. I like the second entry long. I don't like the fact that we're in trading range now. I'm going to sit on my pause on this one. We're just in the middle of trading range, in my opinion. Problem is, we haven't really got to the bottom of the trading range. So, are we going to lift off here is the question. If anything, it does look super choppy still. Something like along these lines. So the GMs in the chat, if you haven't already, scalp that like button. We are back live at it again. We're looking for $1 million.
2500 tick trap.
We're about like 16% of the way there, I'll say. It's annoying because all my counts are like all over the place. So like to calculate it, I actually have to add every account together. It's kind of annoying. But second entry long with a good signal bar on the 2500 tick. It could warrant a breakout here. Could warrant a breakout. I'm going to sit on my pause because what I'm seeing right now is very choppy. So I'm going to sit on my pause here for a little bit. The 5-minute candles. We start with a strong bull bar and then consolidation. Depending on how long this consolidation is, this could either be a bull flag or it's going to be a reversal of some sort. So let me say, like, if it's like 3 to 5 bars, and then it's probably a bull flag. If it's more than like 5 bars, then I think it's going to start getting sus. That's where you kind of just sit on your pause. But if it's like 3-bar consolidation, 4 bars, maybe breakout time. High or low here, setting up. I don't like the high or low. I just don't know where we're at. We're in the middle of trading range, so it's pretty 50-50 in my opinion. Just watching. Luis, good morning. Pandas, did you have an amazing weekend? How was your weekend, everybody? How was your weekend? I'm trying to think of, well, obviously, funny enough, baby panda is going to be a baby panda for Halloween. That's what we decided. That's how creative we are. Like, all right, we're just gonna. I mean, baby panda's already a panda, so it's gonna be. Baby panda's gonna just be in their natural state. What can I say? I don't know what to do here. This looks choppy. Lots of overlapping bars. High or low. We don't reach the bottom here, and we could be potentially at the top of a trading range. Could be tough to go long here.
2500 tick trap.
Okay. Strong bear bar ending near its low. Just be a lot of back and forth here. I'm gonna set my pause. I mean, it just looks like it just looks choppy. Anything you try to go short up here and try to come back down, but the trading range on the 5-minute chart is very small. Now we're getting follow through on this big bull move. I don't know. I could try maybe for a little bit, a small breakout here. Don't judge me, please. I'm just gonna try and see what happens. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, please. Consolidation is very short on the 5-minute chart. It's only like 2 bars consolidation. Hopefully we get a small breakout here. Ooh, there we go. Can we get more than that, please? One time. One time. No more than that. One time. Ah, that's all we get, huh? Big retracement. It's going to take me out break even. I already know it's going to take me out break even. Probably a little bit of slippage, too. I already know it's going to take me out break even. Don't do it. Don't do it, man. Don't take me out break even. Don't do it, man. Well, I got nothing to lose here. I got nothing to lose. Let's see if we get a breakout here. A small breakout. Yep, takes me out break even. That's what I thought. Didn't have much to lose, so let's just see. It could have been a really nice push up. Could have been like we keep making higher highs and higher lows, so don't forget it. Could be a broad channel now of some sort. It seems like it was gonna make some sort of channel like this because we failed to reach the bottom. So now we're just like a trading range but slanted upwards. I thought we had a chance, pandas. I thought we had a chance of a nice breakout. We didn't though. DJ says, I took my son to see the Intrepid in NYC and forgot it was no kings. Oh, wow. That must have been fun. That must have been real fun. What about Kung Fu Panda, Baby Panda? And you can be his noodle asking dad? Nah. Poe is my cousin. I don't want to copy Poe. I don't know why they made Kung Fu Panda's dad gay. It's so random. It's just so random and like I thought unnecessary, but hey, it is what it is. We do make that new high. We do make that new high. I was actually just randomly thinking about that. I was like, why is he gay? It's just so random. It doesn't even fit in that culture. Like that would be so taboo in that time. Oh. Okay. I mean, this is tough. Like, I'm not sure we're gonna find much opportunity here because this is a grind right now. It's truly a grind, huh? It could be one of those super grindy days. We don't really have like news or anything, and the market kind of just like might have been exhausted from last week. It's just so like it went through a lot last week. I'll just tell you that much. Could be a broad channel here. That's what I'm seeing. Broad channel means two-sided trading. You buy low, sell high, scalp. Huh. Higher low here still. But now we're top of a broad channel, which is grindy. What do I make of this? It's tough. I mean, I don't like buying here, but we are going up, so just watching. I don't love anything here. I mean, you can grind up. I think for me, the hardest like markets are grindy markets. Because it's like, I want to go long, but I'm waiting for that pullback. It never comes, and I just miss the whole move. And by the end of the trend, I'm just like exhausted and for no reason. Because just waiting for some sort of setup, I'm just focused, but it never comes. Let's see, pandas, what we got here. Got a second entry long forming. There it is, second entry long. Snapping off at the top of the broad channel. Snapping back down. People buying off the 20 MA? Is that what we're doing today? Let's buy off the 20 MA today? Could be. I've seen it many times before. Second entry long at the top of a broad channel. It's not something I can trade. Plus the risk is quite large. It looks like a trading range, right? This risk here, it's only 10 points. It's not too bad. But the setup is ugly. It's not really a setup here. Okay, it does pop off. Second entry long. I mean, for how much though? Yeah, it's not even 10 points. Not even 10 points, pandas. Calm down, everybody. We got an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Another bull bar on the 5-minute chart. It could be always and long on the 5-minute. Maybe it's what we're trying to do, but it's looking sus. Ooh. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. Okay. Big bear bar. 2 strong bear bars in a row. You're thinking follow through here, but jeez Louise, they're thinking follow through, but no follow through whatsoever. It gets literally just gets folded here. I don't know. Okay, now we get a little bit of follow through. We hit the top of the broad channel, we came back down. Tough to have predicted this. Not really. Not that it was hard to predict. It was just I can't go long here. Look at this. I mean, top of a broad channel. I mean, what can you do? Now you're in the middle of the channel. The 5 minute just looks like it's in a spiking channel. Spike channel of some sort. Let's see how long it lasts for. Your 80% coupon does not work. It's not 80% off anymore. It's probably 50% off. Let's see. Yeah, the promo's ended. I think, I don't know. It's gonna be Halloween. Maybe they're gonna do no promo at Halloween. That's my guess. Strawberry bar ending on slow. Am I looking for a reversal here? To the bottom of the broad channel. It could make sense. Okay, new low created. It could make sense to get to the bottom of the broad channel. It could. Could possibly make sense here. Strong bear bar with a little bit of follow through. Or bear leg. Sorry, top of the broad channel. If anything, I should buy down here now. Is that crazy to think? Buy here? Buy at the bottom of the broad channel at a reversal of the broad channel. I could try. It'd be a fun trade, I think. Could be a really good setup. Plus, we're showing a lot of chop. So I don't know if it's going to break out. Right, this is like showing a lot of chop here. So I just don't know if it's like, if it has it in it to break out here. The character of today's market just seems very trading rangey. Right, isn't that a professional term? Trading rangey? This is like trading rangey. I wish I had a like absolute definition of knowing when it's choppy. To me, it's all eyeballing, intuitive. But I mean, if you just look at I mean, overlapping bars are. That's just strong bull bar, no follow through. Strong bear bar, no follow through. Now we're in another trading range, right? We're trading range here, trading range here. So to me, it's just a lot of the behavior is trading range. So I gotta treat it like a trading range. I'm predicting it's gonna be a trading range, even though, yeah. But I wish I could make an actual like definition of like, oh, if it has this, then it's definitely a trading range. It's just hard to define like that for me. To me, it's like reading the price action. But it's not that hard. When you see like 5 overlapping bars in a row, when you see stuff like this, it's just like, when you just see all of this, basically, it's kind of like, well, it's getting choppy, so let's just sit on our paws for a little bit. And obviously, I got hit by trying to trade this chop right here. I got hit. I tried. So that's even more reason to think it's trading range. Because before then, we had this kind of, something like this working out, but it doesn't work out. Good signal bar too to take that trade. Okay. The overlapping bars continue here. Maybe fail second to short on the 5-minute chart could give us a nice breakout here. Maybe. The thing about this broad channel is that we are not getting close to the bottom of the broad channel. We have not got close to it yet. Double top here, potentially. I may go short here, but Like the 5 minutes just making higher highs and higher lows. It's hard to go short for me, but I could potentially look for a short trade here. It would have to be on the micro. I will have to trade the micro here if I want to look for a short trade. What? Interesting. Like if I'm looking for a short trade, it's gonna have to be on the micro, and I have to scale in. Okay, top of the trading range. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna scale in here. M and Q trade, micro trade. I'm thinking I might have an opportunity here. Just go short right now. If it's a bad signal bar, I'm gonna try this. Think of the top of the trading range back to the bottom trading range, and we'll just take the hit here. Or is this gonna fly? It's gonna fly? Yeah, it's gonna fly. Or should I just try to sell it again near the top?
Target filled.
Opportunity to come up break even, I'll take it, but it's a little bit sus. I would have made some bamboo if I held. Golly. This is very confusing. I would have made bamboo. Yeah, back to the bottom. I would have made bamboo there, but I mean, obviously it got a little sus there, so I don't know. I just gonna let it go. It's not like so worth it for me. It wasn't like I absolutely love that trade idea, but I would have made bamboo there. It's like 12 points, 10 points, not bad. Okay, back to the bottom trading range, back to the top of the trading range. I think we have a pretty strong trading range right here.
2,500 tick trap.
Huh, back to the top. Jeez Louise, what is this? Okay, I'll try. I don't know. I think the main thing that scares me is the fact that we haven't reached the bottom of the broad channel yet. So we could be like boiling up to break out of an ascending channel, which is uncommon, but it's less common. Okay,
2,500 tick
right.
trap.
There's a breakout. Am I expecting much more than that? No. It's tough. Tough market to trade. I don't love anything here. No follow through on this breakout. Huh. What do you do? What do we do here? What is going on here? What would Al Brooks do? Buyers above? Always in long? I think we get 2 bull bars in a row, maybe always in long. But I think, I don't know. Until then, I guess. lower high here. Okay, lower high. Second entry long. Nah. Look at how choppy we are. Look how many doji bars there are. So confused. I don't know. It just looks so choppy to me.
$2,500 tick
The
trap.
5 minute doesn't really have consecutive, breakout bars. It's just the only two. We had these two bars here, these two bars. I don't know. Second entry long here. I don't love it. It's weird. Second entry long. Terrible looking signal bar and everything about it's kind of ugly. Making new highs though. It's making new highs, no doubt about that. If I had to scale in to go short here, how would I do it? I don't know. Every time it touches this, it just bounces off the top of the broad channel here. Okay. I don't know. I'm not eager for anything. I'm not eager to go long. I'm not eager to go short. It's very choppy. Lots of overlapping bars. Lots of dojis. Making things very confusing. The best way to handle this is actually with micros still. But I don't know if I really want to go short with micros. It can keep floating up, especially if we get two bull bars in a row now on the 5 minute chart. It could be a reason for people to go long. Kringle, thanks for answering, Bear Bull Trader. Yeah, 80% doesn't work because there's no 80% off right now. But Halloween, then we might get a new promo. That's what I'm thinking. And I'll tell you, when it's Black Friday, and it's like a very high chance they're gonna do a 90% off. Stock up, pandas. Like you think I'm joking, but I'm not. Like stock up because the 90% off is very rare now. Okay. I mean, whatever. Let's just. It's getting so sus now. Isn't it getting super sus now? Like, look at how ugly this is. Look how ugly this is. I mean, it's a little bit ugly, no? Wow. Can't even reach it. Can't even reach it.
$2,500 tick trap.
Whoa, big bear bar. No follow through. Just touching the 20 May. Fair enough. I just don't like how it rejects every single time off of this top of this channel. I don't like it as in like I don't want to go long into it. If anything, I want to go short into it. Every day is different, pandas. Seriously, every day is different. Like, when's the last time you saw a day like today? I don't know. Just every day is different. What can I say? Two bull bars on the 5 minute chart. I'm like tempted just to try to go long. I'm tempted to go long here, but the price action is so choppy. So disgustingly choppy. I don't think I can go long. I think I'm gonna watch.
2,500 tick
I'm gonna
trap.
be an observer here because this is just so sus. So incredibly sus here. Kind of going back to how things used to be, just absolutely disgusting. This is This is not pretty prices. The fact I'm up $271, like, is actually great. It's great. Like, being up today is already great. Like, I'm happy. I'm already happy with my gains. Bouncing off the top of the channel again. I mean, I'm about to just go short next time I see it. I'm about to just go short next time I see it. Pull back to this level again. I'm about to just go short. Pull back. We might not even get it. Just might be strong bear bars from here. I may just sell this bear bar. I may just sell it. All right, whatever. We're coming back up here. I'm selling. Thoughts and prayers. Watch me time the breakout perfectly, though. Okay. 2 bear bars in a row. May just go short. Maybe I just go short here. I'll try. 2 bear bars in a row. Interesting. Okay. I'm chilling. That's not good. All right, if you went short here, it's a bad
5-minute trap.
Okay. Still floating up. It's hard for me to go short on a breakout
2500 tick trap.
here. I'm gonna just try this. Yeah, let's just try. Let's try. Let's just try. I think it's my best bet, which is a weird trade, but it's my best bet here. Struggling to make that new high. How much am I willing to risk? I don't know. 10 points? I guess, I don't know. I should just be doing this micros, to be honest. Let's try one time with a mini here. Snap before it can get there. Snap before it can get there, huh? A little too conservative. I wanted one more push up, but we didn't get it. 1, 2, 3. We didn't get the push up I wanted. Are we gonna get a push down? Is the question. Again, another trading range here just developing. It's trading ranges within trading ranges within trading ranges. Very difficult to trade, in my opinion. Very difficult. It's not easy to trade this environment. This is like pro level. If you can trade today, then you can trade probably most days. Well, let me take that back. Every day is different. Every trading style is different. Like, you can be the best trend trader in the world, but then when you hit a day like today, it's like, whoa, you're gonna get destroyed. You could be the best like trading range trader in the world, and when you hit like a nice strong bull trend, you're gonna have like the worst day of the year type thing. Wow, strong bear bars. I was looking for that short, pandas. You saw me. I had my order up here. I wanted one more test of the top here. We didn't quite get it. Instead, we got this. All right. I mean, touches the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. I have a a target down here, the bottom of the broad channel. It's still floating up though, pandas. Like, I mean, it's a pullback, but it's still pretty much floating up. 2500 tick chart tapping off the 20 EMA here so perfectly. 5-minute chart, it's just another pullback. Could have another leg up here, but with 2 bear bars in a row, that could signal we're going to start coming back down and basically create this wedge top. And the price action warrants this because of how choppy we are. The price action warrants that. We'll see. We'll see. I was looking for that short pan. You saw me. You saw my order. Rewind it. I had an order like right here. And I wanted to just break the high one more time. And I was saying I was going to risk 10 points. It doesn't even get here. And it snaps down. So I guess my premise was right. But I just couldn't get my entry. Second entry short. Maybe
2500 tick trap.
Here. Second entry short. Tempting here. Might just come back to the top of the trading range. This trading range up here. It's hard to know which trading range is going to be the one that is in play because there's so many trading ranges right now. So trading ranges within trading ranges within trading ranges. A good signal bar like that, I think I have to try here. A really nice signal bar. With some warrant to push down a little bit here. Maybe it's the bottom of the broad channel. Take my risk off at this point, I think. Could even come back to the bottom of the trading range, which is the bottom of the channel, the spiking channel. It's gonna take me out break even. It's been doing that a lot. I don't think this is a day I can really swing here. I think I gotta just. I could try. I could try to. I just don't think I can swing here. I gotta scalp. Everything needs to be scalped out today. Yeah, everything needs to be scalped out. It's not a day I can swing. Look at that slippage, which is annoying, right? Point of slippage. Just 20 bucks. It's not a day I can swing, I don't think. I gotta just scalp everything out today. So I just took out the first reversal. Unfortunately, there was a big slippage. Over a point of slippage. Gotta love it. Gotta absolutely love that. Continue this downtrend. Main issue, 2500 tick chart. 20 EMA could be acting as some sort of support here. 2 bear bars on the 5-minute chart could trigger a downtrend. Go after 20 EMA. Bad signal bar, right? Doji. Could be anything. Really, a lot of things can happen here. Could just chop around again for a long time. We're up 367. I mean, we're just like making little dinks and donks here. Lower high off the 20 EMA. Not, I mean, could be a good trade, but look at the doji bar. Look at this doji bar. Second entry short again here. Maybe because we got 2 bear bars on the 5-minute chart now, I may consider if we get second entry short to try. I may consider it, but I would like my setup if I can get it. I don't think it's gonna happen. So I sit on my pause. I'll just watch. You got 2 bear bars on the 5-minute chart now, and that could trigger right some of the bulls to be like, all right, this is no longer as strong as I thought it was. Let's get out of our positions here. We're gonna try one more time to push down. Lots of overlapping bars. This could be a silly trade, but we'll see. Could be a silly trade. It's fine. I'm fine with that. I'm A-okay with losing this trade. Okay, lose it. I'm A-okay. I had my reasons to take it. And like I said, it could just chop around again, which is what it's doing. So anything could happen there. It was a second just short with 2 bear bars in the 5-minute chart, and I thought we had some follow through. It might have followed through, but it obviously wanted to pull back before having the follow through, which is very marquee of a trading range. Just very disgusting price action. We do get the move down, but I'm not gonna extend my stop loss. It was for a scalp, so I'm only gonna risk a scalp amount. Like I feel like I'm gonna just come out break even today. It's just so choppy. Very diabolical right there. Right strong bear bars. Again, like I said, it could just do anything. It could just chop around again, which is exactly what it's doing. I don't know. Maybe I'll just extend this trading range, make it look like this. It's quite disgusting. Disgusting, yeah, see? This price action is gross. It is disgusting. What can you do about it, though, right? What can you do about it? This is like one of those days, maybe just trade micros, and at least you come out slightly positive. Like, even if I trade micros today, I might be up the same amount. And I don't think even today, like, I might just end it right at 10:45. Just because I don't think today might be worth trading. Mondays are usually like this too. Mondays and Tuesdays are usually very slow. And then Wednesday, you usually get some sort of news to inject some volatility in the market. So, I don't know. And also, I was thinking, I don't know, Pandas. Let me ask you guys. Let me ask you guys. If you were to take a day off in a week, which day would you take off for trading? Which day would it be? Which day would you take off for trading? If you had to take one day off a week, which day would it be? So choppy, but notice again, we don't really get to the bottom of any type of. We don't get to the bottom of the broad channel. We come back right back up to this level here. It's an interesting level. It keeps getting knocked back down. I'm not sure why. Come right back to this level. I don't know. I don't know what it wants to do here. If you had to take a day off. The reason why I asked is because sometimes by like the end of the week or if after 4 or 5 days trading in a row, your mental cap, like last week, my mental capital was sapped. I'm not gonna lie. It's like it was drained. Like, I think the volatility of the market was so. I also had a day where I had like a negative $3,000 drawdown, and I came all the way back up to a positive like 800, and then I lost again another 2,000 or something like that. Like I had one day, my swing was so crazy, like I was just mentally exhausted. But then the next day I traded again, and I made 3K plus, and then the day after that I made 2K plus. So it was kind of like my mental capital was just shot. It was chopped. And I don't know. I was like, maybe I should take one day off in the week. I could take one day off in the week and preserve that mental capital to use it on the best days, you know? You know what I mean, pandas? Like, I feel like there's something there. And yeah, I don't know. The 2 bear bars have no follow through whatsoever. We're super choppy, so I'm not gonna look for a breakout here. Most breakouts will most likely fail. I want to go short up here is the question. I'm in the fears of a breakout, though. I don't want to go short here either. Snaps up a little bit. Two bull bars in a row on the 5-minute chart may trigger always in long trading. This might be always in long trading right now. Hitting the top of the broad channel. I mean, historically, we've bounced off this area multiple times. Are we going to do it again? That's the question. It's a good bar to reverse, but it's hard to go counter trend, right? I could try go short here. It's not going to be my proudest moment if I lose this trade. I just feel more eager to jump in than actually see a good setup. I don't think it's a good setup per se. I will say though, this is floating up in a very grindy way, but the 2500 tick chart, like I said, the 20 EMA could act as support, and it's exactly what it's doing. Which is why I didn't want to go short. Well, I did go short here, but that was one reason why I didn't want to go short. Too short, at least. We could be breaking out here. The market could have decided what it wants to do now, which is just to fly now. Right, the 2500 tick chart is showing strong bull bars. 4 strong bull bars ending near their highs in a row, and always in long trading right now at the top of a broad channel. It's brutal, pandas. It's brutal. It's brutal. It was so choppy, though. Yep, looks like the market's decided where it wants to go. The question is, can I jump in here somehow? Do I just buy anywhere, everywhere type situation? I like at least one pullback. I like one pullback. I'll go in a first entry because this breakout looks very strong. I want to go in a first entry if I can. If the market even gives it to me. The market give me a first entry here. I got a first entry. It's such a strong uptrend. Like, I'm going to just try. It snaps down. Jeez Louise. Okay. Well, it's such a strong breakout. I'm going to just see if I can scale in here a little bit. If not, it is what it is. If not, it is what. If it just snaps down and just folds on me, it is what it is. But it's such a strong breakout. Like, I'm thinking there's gonna be some continuation here. Okay. Give me a nice push up if I can get it. That'd be nice. Starting to chop around again. We might not get the move I wanted here, actually. It might chop around here. Continuing the nasty price action, which is just trading range. Unfortunately, we don't get follow through. I thought we would be like a first entry type market. You know, how many times have we seen first entry markets and we just missed the entire move up because we're too patient here? Just hold. I don't know. Come up break even. I could. I don't know. I'll hold here because we got a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Could be always in long. Could be always in long on the 5-minute chart. Hold. Get through the wiggles if I can. I'd love to get through the wiggles. I would love to get through the wiggles here, pandas, if I can. I love to get through the wiggles, but I don't know if I can get it. 5 minutes being sus. No always in long trading on the 5-minute chart. No always in long on the 5-minute chart, which is a shame. Which is what I need right now. I need the 5-minute. I need the 5 minute to turn always in long right now. And it's not, and it's gonna. I'm gonna lose this trade. I'm gonna absolutely lose this trade. Unfortunately, it is okay. I will take the hit here. Unfortunate. It's disgusting. I mean, I thought we would get always in long. We got two strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. It's absolutely disgusting. We just get this clobbered there. Super
2500
annoying,
tick
right?
trap.
Look at this price action. Like this breakout, it just turns into this. Like, what can you do? 5-minute super strong bull bar and it gets folded, which is unfortunate. Which is like common in the trading range, but I was hoping maybe one time we actually break out a little bit. Especially waiting that long. We're down 175. I mean, more or less break even today. I could attempt to go long here, but I don't know if I like it. The fact that it didn't turn always in long just kind of peeves me here. The fact it didn't turn always in long is just annoying. Now we just had a deep pullback.
2500 tick
Just wanted
trap.
like a 50% pullback. It's a deep pullback for me. Especially when I'm scalping here. The momentum that pops up now. So frustrating. I just wanted a deep pullback back to the 20 EMA. Goodness gracious. I guess I could have just waited for 20 EMA at least. I wanted momentum here. Came with 2 contracts, so we got another push up. This is diabolical right there. I don't know. It's just... I wish I could just capture the momentum, right? There's so many candles in a row, and then you happen to jump in the one candle that doesn't have follow through, which is crazy after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11 candles, you're like, all right, let me just, and then it's just the one candle that doesn't have any follow through. It's crazy. The timing is impeccable. Now we're going sideways again. I just don't know what to do. It's all good. We're down 175. I'm just chilling. It's not a good day. I'll just say right now, it's not a good day. It's not a good day of trading, I'll tell you that much. It's not a good price action, in my opinion. And you have a breakout like this and it turns into this mush right afterwards. It's not good. It's very difficult. Back to the 20 MA. Anything may be trading range, right? It's making an expanding pattern here. Higher highs and lower lows. Super annoying. Absolute, like no follow through on the super strong bull bars. The 5-minute chart. I thought we were going to have always in long. Apparently not. The most we're getting right now is just 2 bull bars. That's the most we're getting. Like two bars of the same color. That's the most we're getting. That's how choppy we are. We're not getting consecutive bull or bear bars in a row. The most we've gotten is 2. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Now we're just choppy. I'm just there's nothing to do here. If we get a slightly bull bar on the 5-minute chart, I may try going long because then that's 3 bull bars in a row, which hasn't happened yet. Second entry long here. It just looks like a trading range to me. It just looks like a trading range to me. Now we got a bear bar on the 5-minute chart. It's so disgusting. What a push. What a push here. What a push back down. It doesn't make sense, but whatever, I'm going for it. It actually doesn't make sense, but I'm going to go for it anyways. So tilted.
2500 tick trap.
Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. Why would I expect anything else? Of course. Why would I expect anything else from today? All right, whatever. Lean into your mistakes here. Here we go. Of course. Why wouldn't you go long here? This is scary. Oh man, I don't like it.
Target
I'm coming out
filled.
break even. I'm too scared. I don't know what's gonna happen here. It's too choppy. 4 overlapping bars in a row. It's so stupid. So dumb. Very confusing day. Very difficult day. Right, it breaks out. Think it's super choppy. If you're like trading micros, you could maybe get away with today, just going always in long. But even then, it's difficult.
2500 tick trap.
All right. For the most dumb trade in 2025, here we go. Dumbest trade of 2025. Here we go. Obviously trading range, obviously choppy, but we're going to go for it anyways. For no reason. Let's try. So we're tilted out of our minds right now. Already on a Monday. Reversing back down, making lower highs, lower lows. We've yet to see, well, I guess we had one pair of bear bars today. The 5-minute chart. Okay. Middle of the trading range just makes us stupid. Middle of the trading range just makes us stupid, but doji bar, forget it. I don't care. I don't care what happens here. It's too confusing. It's too uncertain. But it just became absolute chop, like super choppy. Like very choppy, like look at this. Look at this. Look what we're dealing with here. What's actually happening? I don't know. We're in the middle of the trading range, so just 50-50. Okay, we break above. It's so choppy. I'm going to set my pause. Like, I almost want to end today just because it's such a diabolical day already. I was up at a certain point, like 400. Now I'm down 164, and it's just kind of ping-ponging. My P&L is just ping-ponging back and forth here. All right, now it wants to break out.
5-minute trap.
Sure, why not? I don't know. It's so choppy, it's hard to tell. 5-minute might be breaking out here. I don't know. Who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Again, like I'm gonna be late to the party if I try to trade a breakout here. Expanding pattern. The reason why I'm like putting more weight on these expanding patterns is because we are so choppy. Because we're choppy, I feel like we don't have like the momentum to really break out of these expanding patterns. If we're like going super strong, like this is super strong. Like if we saw more of something like this here, then I probably would look for longs. But because we turn into this right after this big push up, no momentum, a momentum killer essentially here. Like I almost want to go short back into this trading range here. Like I'm about to try. I'm gonna do it. Let's try. Let's just see. We could be breaking out here, but it is what it is if it does. I'll just take the hit. And lessons learned. It's just so diabolical. I have to try this. If we end on a strong bull bar, I'll come out, break even if I can.
Target filled.
I don't like what I'm seeing so far. It ends up being a doji bar. I might have, I don't know, it's too confusing. It could be breaking out now. That's the hard part. Reversing now. Did I catch it perfectly? Did I miss it again? The opportunity to go short. Most likely we'll have another push up here. Okay. Looks like I got it perfectly again. I missed it though. To me, it's very hard to counter trend trade. I don't know. In my heart of hearts, I'm a trend trader, I think. Trend trader slash momentum. That's why I try to go long right here on this super strong push up. Oh, I don't know. Look at that. Wow. What's going on here? Something's happening. Something's happening. I can't put my order up. Big push back down. Was that an exhaustive move? Was that an exhaustive move? Spike up here. What? What is actually happening? No clue. Okay. Cool. Still no clue. Still no clue. Just watching. Watching this be diabolical. 5 minute may turn always in long, but unlikely because we've been choppy all day. I don't know. I'm just watching. I have no clue, pandas. Let's just watch. Let's watch. Let's watch this together. A lot of you guys would take Friday off. 23 people voting, and 52% of you guys would say you'd take Friday off if you were going to take any day off of trading. Interesting. Okay, fair enough. Friday's a good day because you got a 3-day weekend. I was thinking Wednesday. You know? I was thinking Wednesday because Wednesday, That means the max you ever trade in a row is 2 days in a row. So you come like with fresh eyes, like every single time you pretty much trade. You know what I mean? I feel like Wednesday is like a good day, but the thing is that if you do Wednesday, then most likely you're gonna be trading very slow days on Mondays and Tuesdays. Mondays and Tuesdays are just usually just like this. Super grindy, super slow. I mean, no doubt about it. This is like a very strong bull trend now. Like, we've we've only had we haven't touched a 20 EMA yet, but I don't know. I just don't know. This doesn't even look good. No, just I'm trying to get in this trend, but every time I try to get in, it starts to chop like crazy. Okay. I mean, it's doing these weird like spikes, but lots of dojis here, lots of wicks. I'm not putting too much weight into these little spike ups. It just sucks. Just watching this go. How do I capture this trend? How would I capture it? Like this? No. Maybe even like this. Is that what we're looking for? It's so weird. I just don't like it. So grindy. Should I jump to micros? Second entry long randomly here. I guess I'll try whatever. Got 1 minute for this candle to finish. Completely like 7 overlapping bars in a row here. I'm trying to go long. And it's a bear bar. I'm gonna be kicking myself for taking this trade. I really am gonna be kicking myself taking this trade here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm gonna hold, hoping always in long on the 5-minute chart in 10 seconds. We're gonna see how long can we hold this trade for. Absolute trash. Absolute worthless trading right now. Price action trading right here. Absolutely worthless. Making higher lows, higher highs, and now again we entered one time it doesn't do it. So freaking stupid. We got 3 bull bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. I thought we'd turn always in long, but we did it.
2500 tick trap.
It comes, snaps back to 20 MA and just rips back up. Cool. I think I gotta stop trading today. It's just not one of the days. It's not it. This is not the day. Look at the price actions. It's absolutely horrid. It was a second entry long. That's why I took it.
2500 tick trap.
Whatever. I'll try one more time. Go with the 20 May. Give me a second entry long. No second entry longs were had. We're given. Now breaks out after it takes me out. Makes sense. As is all days like today. Super choppy. Let's see if we get something here. Last trade of the day. We don't get it. We don't get our second entry long. Pops back up before we can try. Now it's diabolical. Super strong bull bar. Breaks out now. The timing is impeccable for me to enter times like this. Deep pullback back to 20 MA. Just watching now again. It's gonna watch this float up and waste a bunch of time and then enter again and lose. That's what I'm gonna do. That's probably what's gonna happen again. Now I got 4 bull bars in a row, perhaps. Making new highs again. We got higher highs, higher lows the entire time. Just trying to get in, but I can't. I try to go long here. Basically, every trade I've gone in has been long trade, and I cannot capture any of this uptrend with my long trades. I'm just going to go long here. I don't care. At this point, I'm just going to go long. I'm just going to go long. I don't care. I just need to get long here. It's going up, and I'm just got to go in. I don't even care at this point. Like, it's going up, and we got to get in here. It is going up, and we need to get in.
Target filled.
We just need to get in. It's going up, and we just got to jump in somewhere. It does that a lot. It creeps up in the last second. It puts me in prematurely. Does that a lot. It's super annoying. Strong bull bar. I'm just going along. I don't even care. I don't even care. I'm going to hold a little bit here. Always in long on the 5-minute chart. Hoping now, always in long, but who knows. It's never turning always in long, even though it's going up forever. It's very strange to me. it pulls back deep, whatever. There's not much I can do about it. It's not much I can do about it. I do not care. Like, I'm gonna trade this always and long, and I gotta do this. I just have to do it for my own sanity. You know what I mean, pandas? For my own sanity, I gotta do this. If I lose here, I lose. I'll just take the hit. Whatever. Most likely I will lose. Market's just not turning always in long. I don't know. I'm trying to get always in long, but market's not turning always in long. So I'm just trying every single time. The pullbacks are so deep. It's going to take me out here 500%. It's going to take me out, whatever. And it's going to snap back up. We're going to get out. We're going to blow out. We're going to blow. We're going to explode. We're going to break out here. Always in long on the 5-minute chart ever. We got like 4 bull bars in a row now. Never turning always in long. It's just deep pullbacks every single time. Goodness gracious, I'll just take the hit. Whatever, I don't care. After this, I'm done. I'm
2500 tick
I'm done.
trap.
I can't trade this. All right, Pandas, let's do guns tomorrow. I'm done. Like, I'm down 786. Like, it's just so terrible. Like, the 5-minute chart, 4 bull bars in a row, and it just never turns always in long. Like, I just don't understand. Like, where is my always in long? I don't get it. Where is it, Pandas? Where is my always in long? Why isn't it turning always in long? It's so frustrating. So freaking frustrating. It's going to break out now, huh? Got a second entry long here. It's not even a second entry long. This breaks this high. Golly, Pandas. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done, Pandas. Like, I cannot handle days like today. It's so painful. So painfully hard to trade days like today. Look at how grindy. And the moment it breaks out, grinds again. I just try to get in the momentum. Couldn't even do it. It's just the worst type of day for me. So freaking frustrating. All right, Pandas, I'm done. All right, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. I mean, what can I do? What can I do? It's just it. Like, it's just overlapping bars again, and it's just going to keep chopping around. And it's going to keep on trapping me. It's going to keep on destroying me. We're down 786 today. I was up like 400 today at my highest, and I think that was the last straw for me. I was expecting always in long after full strong bull bars in a row. Like, let's just turn always in long. Let's just do something. Market decides to keep chopping up overlapping bars, right? These deep pullbacks here. I just can't do it. I can't do it anymore. And it's grinding so slowly. Like, every single long feels like it could be the reversal. And I am trying to go long, and it is reversing on me every time. So I can't trade this. It's just too difficult. And too grindy, too slow, too tricky, and too inconsistent in what it's doing. So what can you do? It is what it is. So let me do 1 second entry long here, and we'll end it. This is the last trade. 1 second entry long here. We'll end it. 1 second entry long. Oh, 20 EMA. Jeez Louise. This is trash. Absolute trash price action. Grinding up all day.
2500 tick
Slowest
trap.
grind you could possibly imagine right now. And then it's just doing it. Can't even break the previous candle's low. Can't give me the second entry long. It's just going right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 overlapping bars in a row. Like, every single place where I put these circles are overlapping bars. Every place I put these circles, it's overlapping bars. Overlapping bars, overlapping bars, overlapping bars, overlapping bars. Overlapping bar, overlapping bars. We've basically had one section with no overlapping bars. So stupid. So incredibly stupid. Bear bar. The absolute, like, tippity top of this disgusting move up. Big push down, but it's not gonna have any follow through. Watch. It's gonna be strong bear bar, no follow through. It's gonna snap back up, making an impossible setup to go long. It's gonna be strong bear bar, but no follow through. It's gonna be choppy again here. It's gonna be absolutely diabolical. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to even go short here because of how strong this bull trend is. It's actually so strong. Big bear bar, no follow through. Like I said, it's gonna chop around more. I can't even take this trap. Who can take this trap here? An ultra strong uptrend. Like the uptrend is actually so
2500 tick
strong,
trap.
but so choppy at the same
5
time.
minute trap.
Golly, golly, golly. I'll take one more trade today. I can't. I just wanted one more trade today. On a good setup, on something that's actually makes sense. I kind of broke even on Martingale. Martingale. Should I just Martingale the rest of the day? Actually, might not be a bad idea on a day like this. Look at the E-mini. It's even worse. Actually, E-mini went always in long at least, right? 2 bull bars went always in long. That's all I was looking for. That's all I would like. Just this one always in long bar is all I really like. Couldn't even get it. What's gold? Wow. Gold is exploding back up, of course. MB. Wow, Bitcoin is also exploding. I don't know what's happening. Nothing's happening here. So many overlapping bars. So silly. I might just reverse every single candle here. Trap triggers. Big bear bar. You're looking for a little bit of follow through, but currently none given. Two bear bars in a row, perhaps on the 5-minute chart. Could trigger some shorts here. Because it's so no, I don't know if overextended is the right word, but it is. It's just not looking super bullish. Let's just say that. So confusing. So darn confusing.
5 minute trap.
Seems like it wants to make a new low here. Doesn't it? Doesn't it look like it wants to make a new low here? frustrating day.
$2,500 tick trap.
3 bear bars in a row on the 2,500 tick chart. It's been a while since we've seen that. Okay, blasting off, whatever. Not sure if it means much. It's another trading range. I'm sick and tired of this. I might as well just go short at the top of this trading range. I might as well. I might as well just go short at the top of this trading range. Should I not? Let's try for a scalp. We obviously can't go always in long. The market is not it's not capable of going always in long. It's just not capable of going always in long. So let's take advantage of it. It can't go always in long, so let's take advantage of the fact that it's never gone always in long yet. It just cannot do it. It won't be able to do it. I'm gonna sell here. Let's see what happens. The market cannot go always in long. It's just not capable today. We're gonna take advantage of it. We're gonna take like 10-point scalps here because of that. Such a bad day. I think every single leg has been overlapping. There's literally been one leg that hasn't been overlapping bars. You're gonna have some red days, pandas, along the way. I'm not gonna lie. And today's gonna be one of those days. We're gonna have some red days along the journey here, and that's a good lesson to learn, right? I think it's okay to have some red days, especially if your winning days are like $2,000, $3,000, and your red days are maybe or 786. Negative 786. This market simply cannot go always in long. It's incapable of it. What are we doing here? Might as well swing trade actually here. It's grindy, but it's swinging a little bit. This market's not capable of always in long. I'm about to trade gold. Like, why trade anything else right now? Gold is flying. Actually, some volatility in gold at least. Ah. Filthy. Absolute filthy. Martingale. Whew. Gilbert Medina dropping the $5 super chat. I appreciate it. It's been a while, Gilbert. I hope you've been doing well. Good morning, BBM. Wow, Sensei. Payout Master Panda. Congratulations. Looking good. How many payouts on these 20 have you gotten so far? Absolutely none. I haven't got any yet, but we're getting there, Pandas. We're getting close. We're getting close. Gilbert. Oh, man. It's been a long time. I hope you've been doing well, seriously. Hope you've been doing well. Appreciate the super chat. Gilbert's been a long time follower. I think he's kind of doing his own thing now. I think he's like he's been killing it. So just let him cook. You know what I mean? Let him cook. Strong bear bar ending near its low. Like I said, this market's not capable of going always and long. Two bear bars in a row. Maybe back to the bottom trading range. I could look for a scalp here. It'd be silly though. All day we've been folding after two strong bars. We've been folding. No follow through on two strong bars. Especially near the bottom of a potential trading range here. Gilbert Medina. The goal is a million, right? When you got a million in sight, days like today, you're just going to have to realize there are going to be days like today, and it's just not going to be favorable for you. It's just not favorable days like today, and you got to just learn how to live with them. They're going to be there all the time. They have been there. They will continue to be there. Okay. We got 3 bear bars now. Interesting. We're getting some movement right now. We're getting a little bit of movement right now. I think the market realized they couldn't go always and long. Expanding pattern here. Getting some movement here. 1, 2, 3. Right back into our trading range, but look at the EMINI. Got 2 bear bars in a row. That was a signal to just go always in short. All right, let's see if we can capture some bamboo here. It is dropping like a rock. 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart could act as some sort of support here. Give me a move. Give me something. Ugh, so ugly. To get folded like that. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. Like really strong bear bar ending on its low. That's super strong, but it's a breakout bar.
2500 tick trap.
And you're thinking there's going to be some follow through on that bar. On a day like today, maybe that's an opportunity for bulls to just jump in. I don't know. Look at the 5-minute. Literally ends on its low. Ends on its low. Okay. Folding. I mean, what do I do here? Second entry long, but interesting. I don't love anything here. It's hard. I don't know. I mean, the 5 minute is looking diabolical. Strong bear bar anyone's low. It's like getting folded. Got absolutely no follow through whatsoever.
Five
It just
minute
means
trap.
trading range. So I guess, pandas, if I had to do something here, it's going to go short at the top of a trading range. That would be the play. That would actually be the play here. Only problem is, I probably need massive amounts of scaling in here to make it worth it. I'll need massive amounts of scaling in to make it worth it. Maybe M and Q trade. Sean bear bar, Sean bull bar. No follow through on this. It's flying. It's floating. I don't know.
Five-minute trap.
All right, I'm gonna trade a fail breakout here. Let's see if we can do it. I watch it break out and then I'm gonna reverse it. That's not the breakout I really wanted. I don't know. It's not really the breakout I wanted. Maybe it is a good short here. It's a good signal bar. Risk is not too large. I thought I'd have a little more pop up than that, but like I would like a gap here if I could have gotten it, but maybe that was my trade to go short, come back to the bottom of the trading range. Seems pretty strong now, the trading range. I made more money today in super chats than I did in trading. Let's just say that today, Panas. That's the kind of day we had. I made more money in super chats today than I did in trading. I appreciate it, Gilbert. You turned this red day into a green day. Okay, this is the pop-up I was thinking we're going to get. Like a strong pop-up here. Then fail breakout. Okay. knowing we can't go always in long. Knowing all day we try to go always in long, but we could not do it. I'm going to try here. Trading range. Lower high now. Double top. It's a triple top actually now. I love this trade. I don't love this trade. Doji bar. It's a lower high. I don't know. Second entry long, but top of a trading range. This market cannot go always in long. It just cannot. All right. Going short here. Lots of prayers. It doesn't make sense. There's nothing makes sense today. It looks like a trading range. What can I say? It really does. I guess. This is actually what I'm supposed to be doing here. Top of trading range. This is what I'm actually supposed to be doing here. Scaling in.
Target filled.
I don't like what I just saw. It popped up a little bit. Alright, let's try. Why am I trying to go short? I don't know, pants. I don't know what's happening here. This is so choppy. So diabolical right now. Just keeps floating up. Showing bear bar here. Do I want to go short? That's a question. I don't know. Tough day. Tough day of trading. Okay. Like I said, 5 minute cannot go always and long. It cannot do it. Two bull bars doesn't matter. Cannot go always and long. Deep pullbacks, right? Closes green. Deep pullbacks closes green. Deep pullbacks now it's just cannot go always and long. This is too choppy here. But the uptrend is so strong, it's hard for me to go short anywhere at the same time. I don't know. The crazy thing is the EMINI looks quite different than the another leg down on the EMINI probably. Here's an outside bar on the 5 minute chart, furthering the trading range price action. Look at this nonsense. 3 bull bars in a row. Makes no sense. It's just completely overlapping. Look at the 5 minute chart. It's completely overlapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. Whatever. Thoughts and prayers. Here we go with the lower high. Assuming trading range. Assuming no, never turning always and long. Assuming this will never turn always and long. Because it hasn't been this entire time. If it wanted to, it should have done it a long time ago. Ugly signal bar to go short, but it's trading range now here. Wow, what a day. Low EV day. Being down 786 is not too shabby actually. It's probably like the most I would want to lose any day anyways. Should have wrapped it up a long time ago, you know what I mean? It's interesting. Let's see. Lower high here. Come off the 20 MA. Top of the trading range. Of course, I don't like anything here. Feels like an inch long, maybe. Jeez, golly. That's disgusting. Just don't pay attention to the strong bull bars. They don't mean anything. Not on a day like today. They mean absolutely nothing. It's just another trading range up here. Alright, I'm going to try here. Last attempt to reverse this disgusting trading range here. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. It's such an ugly signal bar. How do I trade this? The answer is you don't. I mean, I guess I go short here. I don't know. I have no idea. This is so choppy. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? It's an IOI pattern on the 5-minute chart furthering the trading range price action. Right, IOI. Inside, outside, inside. Stupid. So ridiculous. All right, going completely sideways and going nowhere. So that's the type of day we're having. I mean, it's just like you're gonna have days like today, pandas. Like, what can you do? You're just gonna have days like this. Happens. It happens actually a lot. Like the summer, every day was like this for like 3 months. We surprisingly were able to extract 200K from prop firm payouts in the summer when it was even worse than this. So yeah, I guess this is nothing really if you think about it. I don't know if it's worth trying to trade the IOI here. IOI inside, outside, inside. I don't know if it's worth it, but I could try. I don't think it is though. Look at this chop. It's been like this for a long time. Last hour or so has been like this, just chopping around. Just trying to find some opportunity, but no opportunities given. No opportunities here. That's the hardest part about days like today. It's not even like I'm down 78. That's fine. Tomorrow I could be up 2,000. Like it doesn't matter. The issue is that days like today just offer so little opportunity to make any bamboo. And like now my mindset is in a place where like I just want to wait. I want to wait for something to actually make money today. And it's like it's probably gonna be super hard to find, and I have a high chance of missing it if I do find it, and I might not even execute it well. So it's just like so many things going against you, and by that time your mental capital is drained. It's just a negative EV day, you know, negative EV day. That's the hardest part about days like today. It's just the overall EV is negative. Some people say you can make money any day, but honestly, like some days not as much. We're still in this trading range is why I'm not trying to take a trade here. Like we're still in a trading range. We're in this trading range of the bigger trading range. So it's very difficult to know which trading range will prevail. I'll take a fail second entry long here. Going back to the bottom of the trading range. That's basically my main setup right now that I'm seeing. Potentially could be a good trade. Fail second entry long here. I'll take it with 2 kicks and giggles. We don't quite get it. I may have to jump in early. We don't quite get it. If you want it, you got to jump in early here. Can't get it. We missed it. It's going to go without us. Right, it doesn't give us the fail second entry long, which is what we wanted. And I'm going to be patient here for that setup because something can happen, right? They can snap down, snap back up. And the fact that I waited for the setup is actually the best thing to do here. Okay, closes above the pivots. We're going to come back to the top of this small trading range. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. This whole range that we've been in for the last hour has been 32 points. The ATR on the 5-minute is so small, I might as well just trade the 5-minute chart with minis at this point. Seriously. I may just trade 5-minute chart with minis. Because ATR is so small. Don't quite trigger the second entry long, which is diabolical. Right, again, we bounce off of it. I'm going to short here. I'll go with 2 if we actually trigger it. Still 1, doesn't trigger it. We don't trigger the second entry long. We don't trigger the second entry long, obviously. Because it can't, because it's so choppy. You can reverse at every single pivot. There it is. Alright, here it is. It's my trade idea. Back to the bottom of the trading range here. It's obviously exploding to the upside. Very cool. Very, very cool. What are we supposed to do here? No clue. I mean, do I just be dumb? Should I just be stupid? Should I just do the stupid thing, which is like just go short here? Golly. So dumb. Wow. Strong bear bar, anyone's low, no follow through, gets folded. Look at the 5-minute chart. It's literally within this range. 10-point range. So sick. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Thoughts and prayers right here. We're going to try. Thoughts and prayers right here. We're going to try. We're going to go for it. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I think my best trade actually is just to wait for the 5 minute to touch the 20 EMA and just buy off the 20 EMA here. Just because it's so diabolically choppy. If it touches any type of support, I think it'll just bounce off of it. That's my thinking, but every support is acting like a strong support. Every resistance acting like a strong resistance. That's just how it is on days like today. Golly, what is this? I mean, if you're gonna do this, I'm gonna just do the stupid thing. I'm gonna do the stupid thing. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try the stupid thing once. Let's try the stupid thing. Do the most obvious thing. Lower highs, lower lows every time. I should be doing this in micros, but the ATR is so small on the 5 minute chart. Like I think I can just do it with minis. I might go do some big drawdown here, maybe another $1,000, but it might be worth on a day like today. Especially if the price action is so clearly trading range. Big drop down. No entry here. Lower highs, lower lows. The ATR on the 5 minute chart is at 25, which is like that's almost what the 500 tick was on Friday. Going short, see if we can find something here. Obviously, we've been stuck here for a long time. For the last 30 minutes, we've been in this super tight consolidation. Day trader says positive $50. Gets to enjoy a burger, fries, and vodka tonic. Yeah, I mean, $50 will easily get you that. What does negative $785 get you times 20? What's negative $14,000 get you? Is that $14,000? What does negative $14,000 get you today? What can I buy with negative $14,000? Like, can you blame me, Pandas, on a day like today? Like, it's just not gonna have that much. We're not gonna have that many trades. Can you blame me on a day like today? Can you blame me? Seriously. Like, can you blame me for just sitting on my paws on a day like today? Seriously. It's gonna start tumbling here, maybe. Maybe we got 3 bear bars. It's the most bear bars in a row we've had all day. It's the most bear bars we had all day today. What are you gonna give me here? It's making lower lows, lower highs very slowly, but it is making lower lows and lower highs. I'll tell you that much. It's a second entry long on the 5 minute chart.
5 minute trap.
Doesn't mean anything today for me. Doesn't mean anything on a day like today. I'm gonna buy here. I'm gonna sell here. It's just so choppy. I gotta do it. Like it's like if you're gonna chop like this, like you might as well take advantage of the fact that it's chopping around like crazy. Like when I say crazy, it's chopping around like crazy right now. I could get hit here, but I think it's worth it. I think there's a high probability I get a nice scalp here. Like it's been chopping around for so long. Like I gotta look for a scalp here. It's been chopping for so long, pandas. I gotta look for a scalp. Decides to break out here, it breaks out, but from the price action, it is so choppy, so incredibly choppy here. I gotta look for at least a scalp here. I don't know if I really want to see it make a higher low here. I really don't want to see a higher low because then we gotta go into drawdown, deeper drawdown than I would like, which is unfortunate. But it's just so choppy, pandas. I gotta try here. I gotta try this for my own sanity.
Five-minute trap.
My own sanity, I gotta try. Wide stop here. Thinking whatever happens, we'll at least be able to come out break even or with some profit, hopefully. I mean, if this starts floating up, then I'm done. I don't know. It's one contract. It's not even 10 points yet. It's been trading range for so long. Like, I feel like any pullback will be deep. I know I'm going prematurely here. Right, I'm going through a lot more drawdown than I like, which is unfortunate, but I just have to try. I have to try this because it was so choppy for so long. I have to try here to reverse this. Like I'm gonna keep trading. If it's trading range, I'm gonna keep trading like a trading range. Two bull bars will not. Goodness gracious! Look at this stupid nonsense. What is this? What was that? Why couldn't I come up break even there? Why couldn't I come up break even there? Why couldn't I come up break even there? I don't know why.
Target
Break
filled.
even. Like I said, pandas. Like the market is so choppy. Like it's just a very high chance you're coming out break even on that. Okay, I'm gonna try here. Oh, golly. This market's a little bit crazy right now. It's a little bit erratic. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna sit on my pause for a little bit. I could have actually made some good bamboo. Could have made a scalp at least. But like I said, the market so incredibly choppy. Like you don't get away from this and just freely get away from it. It's diabolical right now. This is absolutely insane. I'll try lower high here. Let's see. Could be a big boo-boo. Could be a doo-doo. Could be a big boo-boo doo-doo trade. Let's try the lower high here. Wait for the 5 minute to finish. The 5 minute is diabolical right now. Create like two huge overlapping bars in a row. And they're outside bars. It's too confusing for me. I'm not sure what's happening here. Ugh. There's a little bit of volatility injected into the market, huh? I mean, I guess we still have room to go up. Or continue to go sideways forever. Maybe I'll try this. Top of the trading range back to the bottom of the trading range. I'll try. Let's see here. Because we're in a trading range, I want to go short in this area.
5 minute trap.
Yeah, there it is. I wanted to go short in that area because we're top of a trading range. Alright, whatever. If you must have a deep pullback, I will take it. If you need to have a deep pullback, I'll take it, whatever. I like this trade a lot. Hold. 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 Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back.
Target
Break even.
filled.
Alright, I'm done. Oh my gosh. I can't hold on to anything. It's so choppy, man. Like, I can't. This is so choppy. It's actually comical how choppy this is. It's actually comical how choppy it is. I'm just trying to get back to the 20 EMA on the 5 minute chart. That's all I'm trying to do. Oh, the E-mini does it. What's gold up to? Gold hasn't done much. It's floating. Okay. Wow, this price action is actually kind of crazy. Actually kind of crazy. I'm surprised I haven't lost more money than this. Daytrader says, you could buy some parts of Chicago that have negative equity. I think that furthers your losses, no? Golly, look at this price action. Are we ever gonna get out of this zone here? Notice the trading range indicator is just spot on. It started the trading range right here, and it just never left. The trading range indicator is still going. I thought we touched the 20 EMA at least. I mean, doesn't it make sense just to go short here? Doesn't it make sense just to go short here? Or is the E-mini finally found the 20 EMA and it's gonna just fly now? Can't go long, can't go short. Sean Bear Bar, anyone that's low? Means nothing, apparently. Alright, we'll try. I want to try. I want to try something. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I think I'll end it after this. If this doesn't work, it don't work. I don't know. I really have no idea, man. Honestly, the best thing to do is scale in, wide stop. That's like, actually the micros is the best way to trade this. Is keep selling up here, buying down here. I mean, with that being said, shall I? Just sell somewhere up here, the micro. This could be the time. The timing is very difficult to figure out when we're going to test the bottom here of this trading range. The timing is hard. I think it's going to happen, but the timing is very difficult. It could be this. Could be the break of this low, but the problem is why is timing so hard? Because when you get bear bars, you don't have any follow through. So it's not like you can even use that as, a setup. We really have been stuck in this range here, 20-point range since 10:45. Over basically an hour and 15 minutes, we've been stuck in this range. Our first close underneath the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart finally happens today. That's the first close underneath the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. Could be signs that we're breaking down. 2 bear bars underneath the 20 EMA. Then maybe we'll just go short. See what happens. Wow, that was wild, pandas. I'm not gonna lie. The price action up here was a bit loco. Muy loco. Alright, we'll try here. Thoughts and prayers. Here we go. It's gonna be silly. We've been in a trading range all day. I don't want it with the outside bar reversal just because it has to be somewhat perfect in order for me to even try this because we've been stuck in this range for so long. Like, there's no real reason to think we're gonna get out of it other than this is just like a setup here. It feels like entry long underneath the 20 MA. Plenty of room to the 20 MA here on the 5-minute chart. All right, thoughts and prayers. I can't. It's just too choppy. I literally cannot take any trades right now. It's too choppy. It's too insane. I feel like my only setup really is to still buy off the 20 MA here. It actually might be a good setup because we're basically buying off the bottom of these pivots and the 20 MA with double support. And on a day like today, like, I don't know. Like, this is special, right, Pandas? Like, if you look at this, this is a little bit special. In my opinion, this is a special chop. It's not regular chop. This is like a mega chop, you can call it. Being down 747 is diabolical, though. Not too shabby, actually, on a day like today. I might as well trade gold. Gold's probably better today. Big push down. Big leg down. Slow grind up. Big push down. Can we make a new low is a question on gold. We got an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart now. Ooh, don't just say the OI pattern here. Nah, it's too sideways. Like I said, like, you really just keep trading this like a trading range until, oh my gosh, like, it's not even worth trading these like 10 points. Like, it's too low probability here. Wow. I think Albrook says, like, when you see a market like this, you just stay away. Stay away. Very difficult to trade this. We haven't even tested a 20 EMA one time on the Nascraq. I think that's crazy. That knowing the fact that basically since 10:45, we've been in a trading range. We still haven't touched 20 EMA. That's a little bit diabolical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bars overlapping. Silly, 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 silly. I mean, micros. Should I try? Micros? Is that not the best thing to do here? Tate says checking in after heading to the office. PA looks awful. You're not missing much. In fact, you are missing something. It's actually better to miss this day than trade this day. Gold is being a little bit choppy as well. Every market's been choppy actually right now. M&Q can't get to the levels. I guess in a sense today's the easiest type of day and the worst kind of day. Easy because you can always come out break even if you keep scaling in. Whoa, okay, I might actually get a setup here. I'm gonna look for this trade here. We're gonna look for this trade here. 20 EMA. Thinking any support will be somewhat strong in this situation. I could do it with the M&Q, I guess. Okay, we have a trading range here. Let's just do it like this. At these lows, just buy. Or we could just be stuck in this super strong, super small range here. Oh my gosh. That's brutal. The reason why I'm not trading this is because it's just not worth it. For 10 odd points. But this is a special. Look at this. This is just, it's pretty rare. I almost want to change this just to make it look like this. It's actually a little more accurate to what it is, right? Wow, we're actually hitting the bottom of the trading range. Are we? Or are we? Or are we? Golly. Or are we? Nobody knows. Keep you on your toes. That's funny. It's really funny. This is hilarious. Actually hilarious. I hope tomorrow's not like this. If tomorrow's like this, it's brutal. But who knows? Funny. Yeah. 20 EMA. Possibly. I don't know. This is diabolical. Actually diabolical here. This is just something else. I'm just watching. I have no clue what's happening here. Well, I do know what's happening here. That's just diabolical. I may buy this second entry long on the 5-minute chart on the E-mini because it's a trading range. Could be a double top, could reverse here. Best signal bar, make a new low. Could be an okay trade here actually. Interesting here. We're actually in this channel, the bottom of the channel here. Ooh, finally touched the 20 EMA. That took 1 bajillion years. Golly, that took a long time. It really took an insufferable amount of time to touch the 20 EMA on the Nascraq on the 5-minute chart. That was like painful how long that took. Maybe I'll look for a long trade here. I don't know. We're basically at the bottom of the trading range now. A couple bull bars in a row. Painfully long time to get there. I could try this, but I don't love it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Second entry long, but really anything can happen here, I feel like. This is an E-mini trade. It's been a while since I've been on the E-minis. Signal bar is not the best. I'll just wait for the setup, eh? I'm basically taking it because I know we're in a trading range, so might as well go long on the bottom with its setup. This two-legged pullback, double bottom, triple bottom even. Let's just see what happens here. Gold popping up, but gold now in an absolute trading range, super choppy. MBT second entry long off the 20 EMA in its own trading range as well. Is that an indicator or something to have your orders stacked right next to each other like that? No. It's just me with hotkeys. Hotkeys. I like to trade with hotkeys and drag my orders around rather than using the DOM or dome, whatever you want to call it. Second entry long on M and Q could be an okay trade, I guess. Just watching here. I'm not sure what's going to happen.
2500 tick trap.
Second entry long, 5-minute chart. E-mini. It's been a while since I've done this. We're trading the E-minis today, pandas. We are in an E-mini trade. It's been a while since I've been in E-mini. Bottom of trading range, second entry long. Coming up to 20 EMA, coming up bottom trading range. I don't know. Just if I had to take a trade, this would be it. And it could take like 30 minutes for it to finish. Seeing today's price action, it could literally take 30 minutes for it to finish. 5-minute M&Q exploding. Gold. But still trading range on the 5-minute. If I find a setup on the 500 tick chart, I'll consider it. But so choppy still. It's a bull bar. Okay entry bar on the 5-minute E-mini. It's a simple second entry long off of multiple supports. So I'm going to just try and see what happens. One contract trade. It's not looking too good as we begin our
2500
follow-through
tick
bar.
trap.
In fact, it's looking pretty
5-minute trap.
bad. And if we get hit, we get hit. Little gap here, which makes me feel confident we'll come back up into here. Like I almost want to buy again down here. Like I might want to scale in, but I typically don't scale in with traps like this. And I don't know how much I would have to scale in if I were to scale in. I feel like I can get away with a scale in here. Eventually it's going to break out, but I don't know when, I don't know how, I don't know where. Very bad follow through. Makes me disappointed the moment it enters. Like I don't want to be this disappointed in my trade right when it begins. But because we've been in trading range for so long, I almost feel like I can scale in here and it'll be okay one time. But it could be the death of me. Who knows? Spiking channel, come back to the bottom of the channel, of the spiking channel. Could easily do that as well. I think for me, I'll just take the hit, and then if I see another opportunity to go long, I'll go long. Like I don't think I want to scale in here. Because it could be a really strong reversal back down to this level. We have not been green yet on this trade, which is terrible. The risk is so small, like, I don't know. I'm risking like 200. How much am I risking here in this trade? 250. 250. For all the things going for you on this trade, not too shabby. But into the entire trade so far has been like bearish. It's been red. So I have like a decision that I want to just get out here. Bottom of trading range, maybe to the top of trading range on the Nascraq as well. Could try this. Make it lower highs, lower lows though. Creating an inside bar here, which is not good. Absolutely no follow through on that bar, which is unfortunate. It looks like we might just straight up lose it right here. Looks like it's about to tumble. 2,500 tick chart showing a fail second entry short. Don't want to scale in one time, nah. I'll just take the hit pandas, and I think I'll call it a day. I think that's the max I'll lose. Basically $1,000 today. It's unfortunate. But if I want to take a trade, this would be it. Second entry long.
2,500 tick
new
trap.
low created, and coming off the 20 bottom of the trading range, and yeah, second entry long. I mean, I just feel like if anything, I gotta try this trade if I'm gonna try any of them. And if I lose, I lose. My risk is very small. This is one contract, and I'll just take the hit.
5-minute trap.
5-minute trap on the Nascraq. 5-minute trap on the EMINI as well. Okay. I could have came out break even, I think. If I really wanted to. Lose some commissions there. But the fact that the OI pattern now broke to the upside of this inside bar, I am kind of curious to see if this plays out. Gold is just chopping around. Gold I might just buy here as well. I don't know. You get in big trouble here if you're trading like 4 or 5 contracts, especially on a day like today. You'd feel way more comfortable. Trading one contract, it's fine. I'm actually green on this trade first time. Isn't it go much further than that? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. So the candle finish, I guess. I take my risk off here. Which I feel like will get stopped out. Pretty certainly will get stopped out on a day like today, knowing how choppy it is. But let's just say if it does come back down, I don't want to stick around. I'll just let it do its thing. Most likely won't survive this pullback. I don't think I'm going to hold my original stop loss. Okay, I'm still in this trade, miraculously. Crazy slow. This is why I stopped trading the E-mini, because this is just like, if you think the Nascraq is painful, the E-mini is like 5 times worse in terms of like how slow and choppy it is. Maybe some people always in long here, but I doubt it. If you get 2 bull bars, maybe always in long. I may consider it, but most I get stopped out here if anything. Miss out on my $100 that I've gained, whatever. Ooh. Ooh la la. Let me take this trade here, gold. Gold setting itself up for a nice second entry long here. E-mini about to get stopped out. Spoke too soon? I'll try to trade on gold, I think. Nah, I think gold is a little diabolical right now. Very choppy. If anything, I'll just have to buy here, but it looks a little awkward to me. It looks like it needs another push down. Ooh, I spoke too soon on the E-mini. We might get our launch here. We might get a launch here. If I get another bull bar, I might just go always. I might go always in long, back to the top of the trading range. Maybe. If we get another bull bar here, I may just go long. Let's just see what happens. Kicks and giggles, yeah? So painfully slow. So painfully slow, but nothing to lose, so whatever. Painfully slow, but nothing to lose. I got literally nothing to lose here. My risk is off this trade. If anything, I only have gain. I only have to gain here. Look at the Nascraq. Look how stupid it looks. It's the stupidest chart ever. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, so stupid. What a day to trade. All this work and probably just get stopped out, break even. All this work and get stopped out, break even. That's probably what's going to happen on this trade. Waited for like 20 minutes on this trade. This candle, like, yeah, 4 candles, 20 minutes. Take him out break even, and then, like I said, nothing to lose here. If I hold my original stop, do I even want to do that? Do I want to hold my original stop down here? I don't know. But no follow through on this bull bar. I really want to see what happens here. Without any follow through on this bull bar, do I really want to see what happens? I already get stopped out and then take the. So dumb. What's the point of days like today? I don't know. Days like today just drain your mental capital. That's all they're there for. Ooh, you know what? Maybe I'll try gold. I'm like, I'm itching for a trade, but there's nothing here. Literally nothing here. Entire day, no trades. This is like special pandas. Like, this is unique. Today's a little unique. You usually don't get price action that looks like this bad. It's usually not this bad. It's bad usually, but not this bad. This is really bad, pandas. Like, this is astronomically bad. It's actually terrible. And you know, when it looks that bad, you gotta just assume that it's just not the right day to trade. So I'm trying to make some money, but I can't. I literally cannot make money today. I literally cannot find any trades here that are worth taking. Like, should I just go long here? Strong bear binding on his low. Should I just go long? Apparently that was a trade of the day. Golly, what is this nonsense? Almost want to jump to gold, but even gold is diabolical right now. Gold feels a little awkward. It needs a new low. It just doesn't seem correct here. MBT kind of dropping. Maddie asks, "How would Apex know if you're doing automation?" I think they know. I think Ninja Trader is connected to Rhythmic, and it will say how the trade was done. Barbed wire here. Disgusting. This is absolutely filthy right now. Oh, are we making a move of some sort? Because that would be great. If we just have like a big push one direction somewhere, I think I want to... Technically, we should be buying here. Technically, we should be buying right there, which is diabolical. Dare I? Nah, it's too choppy. The matter of fact is, it's just too choppy to take any trades right now. This is special. Like, I'm curious if it's gonna be like this entire day, because that really sucks. Day trader says maybe strategy can place on sim. You could, but again, tricky because sim and the rhythmics are the prices are all different. So it might enter in sim, but it might be really off on all your other accounts. Sim and the actual books are very different. Lesson is today we should have stopped a long time ago. When should we have stopped? I don't know. Maybe we should have stopped after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars in a row, completely overlapping in a super tight range. Maybe that was the trick here. Maybe I go long here. That's my last hurrah. Going long here on the EMINI. That's my last hurrah. Yeah, shall we? Fail second entry short. Above the 20 EMA. Oh shoot, I'm in. I'm in this trade. I don't know if I really want to be in here. One. Break above. Break above. I want to break out here. I don't want any shenanigans. I want to break out here. Alright, come on, break even. No breakout. No strong move. Like, you want an absolute breakout right there if it does break out, but nothing happens. We're actually retracing now. Why do I feel like gold is the only place I can find a good trade here? Maybe because there's nowhere else to look? E-mini retracement's too deep. This is something special for sure. Goodness gracious. Just know, pandas, mark this. Mark this day as a day that you can learn, because if you're just started trading, get ready for days like today. Get ready for days like today, and these days are going to be the days that are going to make or break your trading career. It's going to be days like today that's going to show you how well you can discern on when to be active or not. And when I first began, I'll just say that on days like today, I would try to jump in everything, every setup, and I would get chopped up, so chopped up. All my week's gains will disappear in one day on a day like today. So if you are able to get away on days like today, I mean, I'm down today, but like, I'm pretty much not really trading. I'm just watching this, and I think that's the right thing to do. The E-mini actually lifts off here a little bit. Unfortunately, I had a very tight stop. Very tight stop. I couldn't get a piece of it, but all good. No problemo. Making lower lows and lower highs though. Isn't that kind of wild? We're still making lower lows, lower highs. Like look at the 2500 tick chart. Continue making lower lows and lower highs every single time. Like, should I just go short here? Let's just see what happens, yeah? Should we just see what happens? Nah, it's too far away from 20 May. Maybe I've sold it off the 20 May or this trend line here. It's absolutely diabolical. Days like today, I don't even see setups. Like, I don't see anything. I just see chop. Lifted off a little bit, but nothing spectacular here. Gold, still diabolical, not doing anything. Oh. Pull Battlefield 6 or Black Ops. You guys would say Friday is the best day to take off. I guess we can look. I don't play either, so.
$2,500 tick trap.
I heard Battlefield's amazing. I heard Battlefield's good. I've seen like gameplay. It looks really intense. It looks really fun. It's like basically the perfect recipe to trigger PTSD for anyone who's actually
5
been
minute trap.
in active combat. It just looks so real. But yeah, I don't play. I don't have time. I don't really have time for any of that stuff. I wish I did. It would be really fun, I think. Golly. Gustavo says easy BF6. Tate says today's page in my training journal will be ripped out and used as doo-doo paper. Lower highs and lower lows still being created, which is a little bit diabolical. Could have gotten away with a short here, actually. What's EMINI doing? Okay, I didn't really lift off OI pattern here on the gold. Wow, MBT dropping like a rock. Interesting. The only movement I've seen today is MBT. I tried, Pandas. I tried to find another setup, but I could not. It is just not the day. This is seriously, mark your calendars. You think today is like gonna be the last of this? Like you're gonna see more days like today. You think? I mean, with the consolidation this strong, like I don't know. I don't know if you can even get a breakout at this point. It's like 20 bars overlapping, right? E-mini. Actually, let's try MQ. Sorry, MQ. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 overlapping bars in a row. 23 overlapping bars in a row. On the 5-minute chart, Pandas. 23 times 5, what is that? 23 times 5 is 115. Is that right? 115. 115 minutes. 2 hours, essentially, right? We got 2 hours of pure chop. 2 hours of actual pure chop, and we sat through the whole thing. That's what trading is sometimes. Like, golly. Should I just take a dumb trade here? One dumb trade. because I'm feeling just so bored. Second entry short here. Doesn't make any sense to take it, but it actually makes no sense to take this trade. It's better to take the fail second entry short here in this situation. It's so choppy, it doesn't even trigger it. I mean, literally, I'm just like, I mean, today is pretty bad. Like from the last couple weeks, this is probably one of the worst in the last couple months. One of the worst days I've seen. Literally. If you're chopped up today, it's fine. I'm down 723. I can make it up in like 2 trades tomorrow. Yeah. 2 good trades tomorrow will cover that up. But it's more the fact of sitting on my pause today is the most positive thing I can do in terms of EV. Feels like I just short, I'll try here, but golly. Technically, I should be going short right here. Technically, I should be going short off this trend line. Big push up here. Means nothing on days like today. I know you get excited. You'll get excited when you see this big push up. It means absolutely nothing on days like today. It's actually silly how little this means. It's meant nothing the entire day, so why would this be any different? H4 setup on the 5-minute chart. I'll take a fail second edge short. Kicks and giggles. Let's try. Just to the top of the trading range. If we get it. I doubt we get it, but if we get it, I'll try. If it goes up, I feel like it's just going to go up. Like, it's not going to give you an opportunity. That's why days like today are also tricky, because once it makes a move, you get no opportunities to get in. And you got to just take, like, a gamble. It's basically just a pure gamble. Lack of a better word, it's a pure gamble here. Most likely won't get the pullback to jump in here. Most likely. Most likely it's going to explode without you. Just a small pullback here. And probably won't trigger. Okay, it does. Let's try. Thoughts and prayers here. Lower highs, lower lows all day today, but we're going to just try to be counter here. Top of the trading range. Okay. It's not even 10 points. So stupid, but let's try. Um, Thoughts and prayers. Last trade. Let's stream. Don't know why I'm even taking this. I should be going short here, to be honest.
$2,500 tick trap.
Yeah, Yeah, forget that. I don't know. This is a terrible idea. This is actually a terrible idea to go long here. All right. I tried. I really did try. All right, let's see. All right. Um, thoughts and prayers. Let's see if something happens from here. Small risk, and I'll just take the hit and we'll end the day. Last trade of the stream. Here we go. It gets snapped back down immediately here. No chance to even like break out here. Not even a chance. Some green. Trend line's very strong. Maybe. 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 Possibly.
Five-minute trap.
Huh. Alright, I'll just take the hit. Whatever. I tried. I tried for some sort of breakout back to the top of this trading range. On a failed second inch short. I mean, I think it's the best setup I had in a while. But, what can you do? You just get days like today, and it's just untradeable. Hitting this trend line multiple times. Can I even come up break even at this point? I don't think so. Yeah, market's not even letting me come up break even. Well, in that case, I might as well just let it play out. If I can't come up break even, let's just see what happens. I'll be right back. I gotta do some stuff real quick, but I'll come right back, Pandas. All right, Pandas. Do caca day.
Target filled.
We'll just take the break even here. This could blast out, whatever. But at this point, it's just not even worth it. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. And as always, happy trading. Bye.